Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing the sixth chapter of Bista's book, and the name of chapter is On the Face of It. Dear students, this lesson on the face of it was written by one of the renowned writer of English literature, and her name was Susan Hill. She was born on 5th February 1942 at UK. Or she is an English author of fiction and non-fiction works and got many prestigious awards for her excellent contribution in the field of literature. In this lesson, dear students, in previous video we discussed that how Mr. Derry entered in the garden of Mr. Lamb illegally in a wrong way. His entry was wrong, or that was noticed by Mr. Lamb. We also discussed in the previous video that how the both sufferers, Mr. Lamb, who lost his one of the leg in bomb explosion, and Mr. Derry, a 14-year boy, how his one side of face got burnt by acid, and due to that it looks very ugly, or that acid has eaten his all happiness, his all pleasure, his all reposeness, or due to that people used to make distance and they were not interested to talk to him. They were not interested to sit with him or seeing the reaction of people. 14-year child, 14-year boy, Mr. Derry was very much upset. Or one day when he enters in the garden of Mr. Derry, he was noticed by Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb observed that how Mr. Derry entered in a wrong way in his garden, but he did not object. Or then conversation started between Mr. Derry and Mr. Lamb. Mr. Derry, after knowing that someone noticed him, he was ready to leave the garden, or he was going to leave, but anyhow Mr. Lamb convinced him to stay for some time. Or then conversation started between them, between Mr. Derry and Mr. Lamb. Or Mr. Derry, we discussed in the previous video that he said to Mr. Lamb that everybody is frightened to see him, or he was sure that Mr. Lamb will be also frightened to see his burnt face. But Mr. Lamb reacted very positively, or instead of talking about his face, instead of knowing about his name, he knew the intention of the boy. He knew that the boy is very upset. So finally he changed the topic. Or he said to him, he told Mr. Derry, Mr. Lamb told Mr. Derry that in winter season, in month of September, he used to pull down the crab apples, wild apples, with the help of a stick and ladder, and after pulling down the apples, he used to prepare, he used to make jelly for the children, or he invites the children in his garden and he used to sit with them and enjoy with them. But Up to this we discussed, dear students. But Mr. Derry objected, and he asked that why he had changed the topic, why he was not talking about his burnt face, why he was not talking about his appearance. Mr. Derry here says, why have you changed the subject for? People always do that. Because he has seen before that people only and only talk about his ugly face, or why Mr. Lamb had changed the topic, why he was not talking about that. So Mr. Lamb replies, you want me to ask about your bird face? Then tell me. Derry, I don't like being with the people. Mr. Derry told Mr. Lamb his intention that due to the reaction and due to the negative response of the people, he is not interested to live with the people, to stay with the people. But Mr. Lamb says, I should say, look at it, I should say, you got burned in a fire. Mr. Lamb, after seeing his burnt face, he estimated in his mind and he said that his face was burnt in fire. But Mr. Derry clarifies, or he says, what he says, कि not in fire, कि his face was not burnt in fire. Actually, I got acid all down that side of my face, one side of face, or that acid had burnt it all away. That acid not ate only, it ate my face up. That acid ate his face up. It ate his happiness. It ate everything. So he was very much upset. Mr. Lamb, instead of reacting negatively, he reacted very sympathetically. Or he said, no, Mr. Derry, are you not interested? Or Mr. Lamb replies that Mr. Derry was a boy who came in the garden. Or plenty do means many people, many children come in his garden. Or he is interested in anybody. He says, I am interested in anybody, in anything. Mr. Lamb never refuses and never hates anyone. He is interested similarly in all the person and in all the things. Or there he also says that there is nothing God made that don't interest him. Or he tells him, look there, besides for the wall. Or what can you see? He asks question to Mr. Derry, see that side, what you are seeing? Mr. Derry replies, there is rubbish. Rubbish? Are you are seeing rubbish? Just. Derry replies, it is just grass, stuff and weeds, unwanted plants. So Mr. Derry replies, some may call it weeds, some may call it unwanted plants. Or you may also say, if you like. If you can say, then if you want to say, you can say, it is weeds garden. A weeds garden. There are fruit also, there are flowers also, there are herbs also. I grow weeds among them. Because I like them. Or there are many other flowers also. Or what is the difference? All flowers and all fruits and all other plants, including the weeds, unwanted plants, they have life. They all have life, and it is all life growing, same as you and me. He says that as you and me are similar, in the same way the weeds and fruits are in some way similar. But Mr. Dairy replies that there is no similarity in you and me. I can accept, I can say, I can understand that I am old and you are young. This can be the difference. But Mr. Dairy doesn't consider his thoughts, or he says no, I am totally different from you. Arey, I am old, you are young, you have got burnt face, or Mr. Dairy says that Mr. Lamb says that Mr. Dairy was a small boy of 14 years, or he himself was an old man. Mr. Dairy has burnt face, or Mr. Lamb has that tin legs. But that is not important. I am sitting here. Or where is the difference? Mr. Dairy further asks, he asks, why have you got tin legs? Whenever he hears that Mr. Lamb has tin legs, so he asks the reason, what was the reason why he has tin legs? Then Mr. Dairy replies, or he says, actually his one of the leg that was torn off in bomb explosion, turn away in bomb explosion. Or after that incident, he is using that tin legs. He further inquires, but you can put on trousers and covers it up. Mr. Dairy says that the weakness which you have, you can cover, and nobody can see that thing. But think about me, how I will cover. The people used to see my burnt face, and after seeing my burnt face, they used to make distance. So this is the difference between you and me. So Mr. Lamb says, some do, some don't. They get tired of it. In the end, there are plenty of other things to discuss. Nobody is there free to discuss about me and you. Dairy, like my face, like crab apples, or the weeds, or the spider climbing up on silken ladder, or my tall sunflowers. There are many things to discuss. Instead of discussing about your burnt face, and instead of discussing about my tin legs, this